Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be reviewing some braiding hair. So as you can see, I just went ahead and jumped on into the video, let y'all know what I'm gonna do because I don't want to hold y'all too long. It's nighttime and I got other videos to do. So let's just get started. Alright, so I'm gonna tell y'all about the hair first and then I'm going to show y'all the hair because I have used this hair before. It's by the company Youngter, but I didn't get this color. So this is a ombre braiding hair and it's 24 inches. Ombre connect line braiding hair, girl, because I know the girls be looking for braiding hair because the girls love to wear braids. So like I said, it's connect line braiding hair. 5 packs comes with one order. So I think last time I normally get like 6 packs of hair. So I guess 5 is okay. I don't know. Now the color that I have is called C14 and I cannot wait to install it. I don't know what style I'm gonna do. So let me show y'all the hair. And y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm just looking so plain. I ain't got no lashes. So first off, it comes like this. Oh, and let me tell y'all, so this company reached out to me via my email. If you want me to review something that you have, check the description below for my email. Send me an email. Anyways, so they contacted me through my email, wanted me to review their hair again, and this is the hair that I picked. This is the color that I picked, and I'm gonna show y'all what's inside. So the braiding hair comes folded like this. So that's 1 pack, that's 2 packs, that's 3 packs, that's 4 packs, and then this is the 5th pack, which is the pack that I'm going to be showing y'all. So it also comes with, I have so many crochet needles, y'all. It comes with 2 clips. You can never, ever, ever have enough clips. And 2 scrunchies. And a, what is it called? A crochet hook. Y'all, I love the way they have it braided when you first get it. Look at that. And then it goes to a blonde. Y'all, I don't know what type of braiding style, but this is cute. Maybe like a side ponytail. This is cute. I'm going to figure out something to do with it to where I don't have to unravel it. And as you can see, it starts with a black, which is like a 1B. And then down here, it gets lighter and it goes from the 30 to the 27 like that. Y'all, this is cute. Look at it. Now, it does feel thicker. I do not want to unravel this hair, y'all. Whatever, I got 5 other packs. I got 4 other packs, so. This is thicker braiding hair, which would be good for coarser hair textures. So yeah, it's definitely coarser than the other hair that I had in. But that's good. Maybe that's why they send you 5 packs, because they know this hair is a little thicker and you can get away with 5 packs. But honey, it's the color. It's the color for me. Okay? It's the color. I was like, let me get that because it's something different, you know? Girl. And like I said, it's 24 inches long. So this is going to be long. It's braided hair, so if you leave it like this and you don't braid it, it's gonna shed. But if you braid it, you know what it's for, then you're not gonna get any shedding while you have it in, because I mean that's just not how braiding hair works. But anyways, y'all, this is the hair, and I just wanted to come on here and show y'all this quick little shabam, because I know the girls be looking for braiding hair. The girls be out looking for braiding hair, and y'all might like this color. The reason I chose this hair is for the color. And let me give y'all the price of this hair. So the price of this hair is $21.99, which is really good. And I'm gonna list the link below. But once you look on there, you click this thing. It's gonna say coupon, like like right there. See where it says coupon? You want to click that so the extra 6% saving coupons applies, and you will get it for $21.99. And they also have other colors. Let me see. Like this one. This is so ghetto the way I'm showing y'all. But I might screenshot it and put it up here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to screenshot it and put it up here. But this one is ombre as well. And it's purple and blue, which is really pretty. And I thought about doing the purple and blue. I was like, nah. So I just went with this, which goes with a lot of stuff. So they also have like ombre to like a burgundy. They have a dark brown root and then like blonde. Girl, they got a lot, girl. And then they have this gray color. Starts off black, ends gray. But anyways, y'all, they have so much hair on there. Check them out. I will list the link to their site below, as well as I'm gonna try to find the other video of when I put their hair in before. If y'all like this wig and you want to see how I made this half wig, I'll list the link to that below. Y'all follow me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see y'all later. Bye.